Me mama nyina akaba bi essential Valentine week ya na egusi. Nti enenso another simple recipe. So we a milkshake simple cry nti ji akonya no ye fa nhihye so fi se ebekoyi ye to aso. Nti dia me wo ha nyina ni so on say me ka say simple na simple. We say me strawberries and blueberries so frozen one. Nti betimi isu fresh one but no frozen ones no. Nti na me isu. And I went so fresh milk, skimmed one, into bit me to full fat, so and I wear vanilla ice cream. The vanilla ice cream, no, Opa saw ye being so I'm a homemade one or so, and also bet me a try. And if I do be our pet. As I said, there me and I made the strawberries, no, and the blueberries, egg. Now for your ice cream and swat. Now if you wish your milk na can. Nti no wa blend ni nyina. You can find these and many more on my website, originalmamabetty.com, and thanks for the support. I was here for to marry me milkshake and to say for glass be our pet so now me try win manage am said you win. To the obeying and say Ube she any halfway so a man in coffee brain. Now what vanilla ice cream ka crabby Nadia too. Hey, no more there for more report no was not talking here. Wow, Menyama, swallow. Now I can mint leave kids sweary, you cheer baby. Now be when I bed and catch it every. Yet, so I saw. I was young for, let me say, we, now bed and catch it every. And go ye, and to let him distraction. When you be treated away near ye, so I'm into Hannah be based into Bomodians or Betray, I'm fruits I may use to know. So won't pa use your pebia. Nekoye nyame adoma ye besen hie nti se nyame kan ade bia wo ye no for odoshem na ade odoshem a menim said me aka no nyame nso obebe mama I love you, God bless. Mwah.